Okay, so the yams are out.
Yep.
Where's my fork? And the fish are, would you say that's halfway?
Yep.
You haven't turned them yet, though.
One.
Oh, you turned one, the smaller one? Oh, the head.
Yeah.
You turned the head.
I turned it in two because these two is bigger.
Right. Oh, that looks good. This part of the fish is going to be delicious. I can see it.
You want to try it, Doctor?
Sure. The doctor, this is doctor, okay? The doctor's in the house? You can't get a good piece, huh? I just want the skin. On that little piece of yam. Wow, you can taste the ground, the earth. Very earthy.
You need to buy one parrot.
You gotta put something on the yam, but I can't think of what would be good on there.
You got good news with parrot?
A parrot fish?
Yeah.
Did he swipe you on a parrot?
No. I think I gave you the parrot. It's Marcia's fish.
Oh, is it blue?
Yeah.
Yeah, I ate a blue one.
Okay. It's
I
Marcia's
see, I ate
favorite
your
fish.
fish. So we're still frying. That one fish hasn't even turned yet. I love the color, man.
Yeah.